We're going to go into Google Earth here. Look at Seneca rocks. I'm going to give you an idea. Google Earth is really great for this. You can get a feel for topography. And here is Seneca rocks right here. That's right where I was at yesterday. I climbed up this way, went up here by the observation deck, and beyond that I climbed up onto the actual razorback itself. So you're looking at really erosion resistant sandstone that's quartzite. And if I take this and I show you, it's a Anticline. Puts a lot of it into perspective for you. Going down along this valley from Seneca, you can see that this ridge kind of follows any circle. You can see the line where it curves back around. It comes down this way. You can see there's other areas right here where the sandstone is the same sandstone. This would be North Fork Mountain as Seneca. And we'll go up along here a little bit. There's a few other really interesting places. There's you can really get a feel for this. Judy Rocks, I believe that is. Riverton Gap. No, there's Judy Rocks right up here. You can see the whole ridge of that sandstone goes in two fins the whole way up along here. You can see where they both kind of make the same valley in the middle. Now, the valley in the middle is stone that eroded a lot faster than these two fins here and this right here. And if we zoom out, we can see it's a rolling anticline, where the best way to describe it is like ripples of water, but with rock. So you picture this as being a dome at one time, where this point of rock would meet in the middle to this point of rock. And what you would have had is much the same as you'd have in the Himalayas. To realize in this valley, miles, at least a mile and a half of rock, I'd say 15,000 feet was above this, in order to erode this much. Because right here, they're still mining some of the different types of rock. There's Seneca Caverns, Judy Glap, and it goes the whole way back down along here. When you stand on top of Seneca, you get a feel for it one time. This was all, and this right up here is the Wills. This is the Wills Mountain Anticline right here. You can see how it curves around. And this at one time was one huge mountain, and you're just looking at the core of it. You're looking at the skeleton of it. So imagine this being from this point, from upper track to about here, one giant mountain. And that right there is the core of it. That's why this really powerful, it's erosion resistant sandstone exists. This would be your, right here, your Anticline, and this being your syncline. So we're going to look at something else too. Like, we're going to take a little trip down here to Seneca. We're going to stand here at the bottom and look up. You're going to notice something right here. How this valley here actually has more than one fin. You're going to see that there's actually just those two sets of fins, but also this right here. It goes up towards the middle. That means eventually all this is going to be worn away, and this is all going to be a fin, just like Seneca. This is an impact point. You can see where it turns up along here. That means there was a lot of pressure right here that created this whole rock face that you're looking at.